Hey guys, Dino here from 3-Star Nomadic, and here we are on Boracay Island. What a beautiful spot, one of the most beautiful places in the world, so they say, and I think they might be right. So just to give you a little bit of a rundown, the little bit that I do know about the place, I was here about 25 years ago and it was nothing like this. I've also heard that about a year or two ago it really got revamped because there was too much pollution, whatnot, and they've made it a lot nicer. So, and apparently they've done a really good job with that. So if you can hear this guy in the background saying baloo, that's actually selling little eggs, which is sort of with half-formed chickens. So that's one of their little snacks they have here. I haven't tried it yet. I'm probably not gonna, but they do cut this beach up into stations. I know I'm on station 3, so I don't know exactly how far that goes down, but probably this area here down to there. I think station 3, in the middle station 2, and then you got station 1 right up the other end. I think I've got that right. So, but guys, first impression again of Boracay, absolutely beautiful. I know sunsets are meant to be nice with these boats out here. I think we get a fairly good sunset here, I would imagine. I think it's this beach. There's also another beach down the over the other side. Gets a lot more windy there. I don't think it's quite as beautiful, but a little bit more quiet. It's really big for windsurfing, so at some stage in these vlogs we'll get over and have a look. I don't know if we will on this one. Alright, but today I'm just gonna probably go for a wander a little bit down station 1 and just have a station 3, and just have a bit of a look. So let's go have an adventure station 3. So just looking at the beach here, there's sort of a lot of little bits of wood and that washed up on it, but I'm not seeing rubbish, so that's awesome, because I think that was the problem years ago. They just had too much pollution, and I have watched other vlogs on this. Sometimes they get a lot of seaweed, different times of the year come in here, so it sort of looks a little bit more green in some areas. You get a little bit of black there, but generally the water is looking absolutely beautiful. So they've got heaps of these little boats, little outriggers. I don't know what they actually call them here. No doubt we'll work that out. Yeah, and you can hire them and get out on the water. And the phone just rung. I think it might be work. Don't know that number, so I won't answer it. So whoever that might be, sorry, I'm on holidays. Anyway guys, yeah, lots of beautiful accommodation, nice little rooms up there, but everywhere along you're just seeing, generally format looks like you got the beautiful water, the beach, the palm trees, then a little restaurant and accommodation behind it. Generally that sort of seems to be the way that it goes. We've got a little boat here called Jenny. Must be your boat, Mum. There you go. Anyway, I might wander up and get something to eat before I go for a walk up there, I think. And just come in and sat in this little Japanese place. It's got lots of stuff. I got some kimchi rice, mango and banana shake. So we'll see how that goes. And some water. It's got a beautiful breeze coming in here. And a more beautiful view. That's what I'm talking about here at 3-Star Nomadic, Boracay, Philippines. Might be able to see up behind me here. We can hear the dogs, there's plenty of dogs. There are some cats here too. See that girl there cuddling a little cat, and another little one there. So they've obviously got a few cats around the island, and definitely got plenty of dogs. Hey guys, how are we? Hello. Hey. Love you. you go. Little Boracay rat bags. Yeah, so if you can see all that land over there, that's all, well, what I'll call mainland. It's basically everything in the Philippines is an island of some sort, but so that's Cataclan was the airport that I come into there, and as you probably would have seen or been able to work out in the last vlog, it really wasn't far at all to get over on the boat. So I reckon you'd almost swim it if you had to, if the tide wasn't too bad. So yeah, but you know, looking at this here down this way, it's pretty secluded. There's obviously a fairly nice resort there, so not a lot happening down this end of Station 3. Now this is just the main beach, so there's plenty of other bays and that you can get to, which are no doubt beautiful, but as far as I can tell, this one's and has always been the most famous, you know. So yeah, we've got a big ferry coming in over there. It's actually not a bad way to travel too. It was something that I was going to do. I was actually going to travel from here back overnight ferry, probably something like that one there, back to Batangas and into Porto Galera, which I've been 2 years ago. But I changed the plans up, and I really wanted to go somewhere I hadn't been, so I ended up going and so I'll be getting a flight in another 3 days back to the airport here, and I'll be flying straight into El Nido, which is just known to be just another absolutely beautiful area. From there I'll go to Coron, so and have a bit of a look around there, and then head back up to Manila. So that's pretty much the plan, guys, and so hopefully we can get a few vlogs out, and no doubt somewhere along we will get the drone up, because this countryside is just beautiful. So here we are, right down the end of the main beach here. I think it's called White Beach, but I'll get all of that down pat as we go through the vlogs. There'll be a few vlogs around this area, but if you want to spend some real dollars, go and book in there, and there's some other beautiful ones up on the hill here too. But take a look at that, eh? 3-star nomadic, that's where I should be. Sort of goes against the grain of the whole 3-star nomadic thing, but doesn't it? But as I said, sometimes you just got to spoil yourself. You can get a chopper ride. And you got your little secluded beach down here. I'm going to go for a bit of a wander. Be careful, not as young as I used to be. And cruise along here. So look at this, hey? Look at those joints up there, what a beautiful view. As I said earlier, I'm pretty sure we'll see in some vlogs in the future what the sunset's like there. So but wouldn't that be a magnificent view from up in one of those villas? Anyway, the coves just keep going along there. Beautiful. Now I'm going to head back up this way. I might take a few of the detour, a few of the inland little lanes, and just go for a wander up them and see if I can get lost in there for a few hours. Got a little cave. Knock knock, anybody home? There you go. Cruising through the cave. And back out into absolute paradise. Now I am going to bring something up that I have done in the past, because I always go to tropical islands with coconut trees, and if you Google it and look at the stats of people that get actually not hurt but killed by falling coconuts, it's a lot. So when you're at these joints, enjoy yourself, but also if you are sitting under a coconut tree, just be aware that they do fall and they're really bloody heavy. And yeah, you don't want to get killed by a coconut, eh? What are you doing? What do you sell?
Actually, we have many activities here. We have a sailing boat like that one.
So the one right out there, yeah?
Yes.
Awesome.
I think from Australia.
I am, yes.
Yeah,
You can hear the accent, yeah.
I've been working here for 32 years now.
Oh, you would know, yeah.
So tomorrow we have a island tour with a big boat.
Okay.
Another group.
Alright.
So that's good. That is good because that is 5 hours tour. So you can go different beaches on the other side, like
Yeah.
Boca Beach.
Okay.
And after that you go snorkeling in Crocodile Island.
And is that on the same on
no,
the
no.
that's a different boat?
That is with different boat. This
Yeah.
one is only, you can take this one only for an hour.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
But it's good also.
Yeah. Of course. And how much is it for the 5-hour tour, like the
tour?
to go around?
It's only 1,500. Okay. With lunch.
Yeah.
With food is included.
And what if I wanted to take it on my own with nobody else?
So
how much is that?
You mean but we use motorboat, not
Private.
sailing boat.
Not
Private
sailing boat. Yeah, private.
It costs like 5,000 pesos.
About 5,000.
But it's okay. You have private.
That'd be private.
Sure.
No one else. Yeah.
And of course you have 2 crew on the boat.
And-
Boatman.
Yeah. Okay. And does it go? Does it go right around the
You
island?
can go around the island if you take private boat.
Private and just go where we want when we want.
Yes. I mean,
Okay.
privacy. And then you can stay as long as you want if the place is.
All right.
Then the most important thing is you can see the whole island. The whole.
So that'd be 5,000.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'll have a think about that. What was your name?
Really?
Yeah, Dean.
Where are you staying here then?
I'm at Gracias Inn.
Yeah. I know. I saw you. You just arrived today.
Yeah, you
I
saw
saw
me.
you.
That's it.
Yes.
No worries. All right. I'll have a think about that.
And we have also some like what you call it? What you call it? Like short kind of activities
Yeah.
that you can doing like this one.
Give me a look. I'll get
We
it
have
on
also
camera
like
too.
scuba diving or helmet diving,
Yeah.
jet ski,
All right.
and this one you can do by your own also.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
I think tomorrow will be okay also because you are lucky to come. You know why?
Why?
Last 2 weeks the weather was terrible, rain, and because
Okay.
we have typhoon before. And now the typhoon is already gone.
And now it's
So the
okay.
good weather comes okay.
All right. Well, I might look at doing a sailing a trip. Maybe not sailing. Maybe the motorboat.
Yeah, well, the private boat.
Yeah.
Because in other side there is maybe like 3 different islands.
Where do I get it? Where would I get on the boat? Where?
In other side in Bolabo.
Go and get
Yeah,
on
I fix up you in the hotel.
Yeah.
I will bring you the boat because it's not my own boat. I like family business.
Oh, yeah.
The boatman of my boat is my brother,
Okay.
nephew.
Okay. What time can we leave tomorrow?
So we can leave tomorrow at if you like a little bit earlier. Also,
Yeah, I get up
Let's
early.
say 9 o'clock.
9's easy. Yeah, I can leave earlier if you want. Up to you.
Yes.
What is 9 good?
Yes.
9?
9 o'clock.
You don't want to go earlier? No?
8 is okay.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, with me, it's easy.
But if you book
Because I get up at 6, 7 in the morning.
so if you do that tomorrow, you have if you wake up if you start early morning.
Yeah.
So but as of now, we need some booking
Yeah.
because we have to book to the
Yeah.
because the boat is not.
Okay.
I mean, all the boat is like centralized, no? Like
Yeah.
centralized.
Okay.
So we have to book early.
Alright. So we can work something out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll get some business done and we'll go on a trip with me mate tomorrow. Okay, so I promised you I'd go up a laneway. And I think I might have picked the same one. Then I walked down earlier in the first vlog, so that's alright. It's one of the main ones that actually goes back to the main road. So I was talking to my old mate there that's going to take me out on a boat tomorrow, or his family. And I was saying, should I go down that lane? He said, nah, not much there. He said this one. So we'll have a bit of a cruise down here. Nice. Fish or something drying out there. There you go. Hey guys, how are we? Good. Hey, hello, how are you?
Girlfriend?
What's that?
Girlfriend?
Girlfriend? No. Here we've got my wife. Oh, absolutely beautiful, yes. And they're building a new place here. They've got these little tuk-tuks here, and I think they're all, hey, how are you? Are these all electric, are they?
Yeah.
Okay. So all electric around here. And what do you call them? Tuk-tuk?
It's like
E-trike. Okay. So there you go. Well, that's
Where are you
good. I'm just going for a walk. So there you go, guys. There's the little vlog. Looking at section 3 or station 3. Nice walk up the beach. Off the beaten track a little bit. So from Dino at 3 Star Nomadic, we'll catch you down the track.